Hi everyone, welcome to the Global Mindset University. My name is Mohammed Rashid Kamal.
My name is Amir.
On today's episode, we're gonna do
math
with
Amir.
Amir. So, Amir is really energetic and would like to do some maths with me here. It's more of addition and also additions, numbers, and what else you gonna do, Amir? Giving fruits to berries, right? Different kinds of fruits. So let's go ahead and start. Hi everyone, welcome to the Global Mindset University. My name is Mohammed. Episode, we're gonna do some Zearn. So Zearn is where we can practice the maths here. So Amir, there are numbers here. I see 8, 9, 10, 11. What is missing? 12. Now if you click next, you got it. And what are the numbers missing here?
11, 12.
Correct. You got it. How about now?
9, 10, 12.
Okay, 9, 10, and 12. Yes, correct. What about now, Amir? You Zearn it. Good job.
That's all for our video. Subscribe, like, share, and comment, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye!
We still have them more to do, Amir. Now, let's do some snacks. Let's see if you can do this, Amir. So cool.
I am so good at this.
Yep. How many snacks you need to give? One more. Eat it. How about now? You already have 11. Yep. It's 12. One more.
Get 13, 14, 15, 16,
Give him
17.
2 more. So you gotta give him 2 more.
2 more is 12.
Yep. That's it. Give a fox 11 apple, Amir. Do a fox like apple?
I think so.
That's why you're giving them 11 apples. Ooh. That's 10. And the last one, 11 apple. You got it. Now, what did they say, Amir?
This big 12 oranges.
So you're not gonna need to click 12 times. 1, 2,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
yes.
Oh, that is a lot of oranges.
Yep. Koala
If koala
has 11. How about this? Tiger has 10 apples and give him 2 more.
that's 12.
12.
Maybe tigers eat 12 apples.
10 plus 2 is 12. Ooh, koalas are happy. How about this? Give him 1 more. 10 plus 1?
11.
11.
That's it. That's it for
What if you give... Yes, good job, Amir. Now, Amir would like to do a couple of the counting train. Counting train is so fun. Here we go. It started. 10. Which one is 10? You need to put it on 11. Right. Amir, what about here? What about 11?
12. I wonder if it could be 8 or something.
What about this?
13.
30. Good job. And here? What about this? Ooh, we got
14.
14.
14.
All right. And now?
15.
15. What about now?
16.
16.
No, it's 11.
11. Correct.
What is 11 plus 4?
14. 15.
How about now?
10. Get to what?
What is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10? Wait, 1 minute. What is 10 plus 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 10
100.
plus 10?
100.
100. 100.
Good job.
Turned it.
Now, what are you gonna do? Some snack?
Again.
You like some snack?
No. I only like strawberries.
You like strawberry?
Blueberries.
Okay.
Cranberries.
Dog has 11 orange and give him one more. How many will it be?
12.
12. Okay, read this one
Does
carefully.
it mean 12?
Tiger has?
12 strawberries. Give her one more.
Give her one more.
She is
13.
Doesn't mean 4. Doesn't mean 12.
Frog
And
had
then
13 apples and give her one more. It become 14.
Doesn't mean you need to give her 14
Koala
more.
has 14 oranges. Give him one more. 15. Koala like orange. They eat 15. And rabbit has how many?
Whoa.
10 strawberries.
Rabbits
Give one
eat
more.
strawberries.
That's amazing.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Fox has 11 apples and give her one more. Become 12.
Doesn't mean we need to give her 12 more.
Lion has
instead of
12
one.
orange. Give him one more. It become
One more.
13. Yes, good job.
Zearn it.